killed this track.
Back in my dreams, chilling with your babe.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cool Fortnite thumbnail on your Android or your iOS. So first app you're going to need is Pixart, Pixel or Fonto, and then VSCCC, which you can get on the App Store. I'll leave a link down in the description if you can't find it in the App Store, okay? So Fonto and Pixar are optional, but today we're going to use Fonto, just plain image, right? Put the white one, put empty, and then you go to the pencil on top and your text. So what text we're gonna use for this one is your text, and make sure you have the font. Well, the one that I like is called Luckiest Guy, so have that as your font. Then put done, and then you can resize it like this. You want it to be as big as, so you can just select your color. So I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter, but then a little bit darker on the on the light baby blue, and then add a bit more, and then here you have your text. Okay, so you're gonna put right here the save button right here, and then you're gonna go to free PSS whatever. Yeah, you're gonna put blank document, and you're gonna put 1270 by 720. This is for your thumbnail size, okay? This is your thumbnail size that you always want to have, because it's gonna be too small or too big if you don't have it. Okay, so you go back, and then you go back to Fonto, put this as your text. Okay, see, people have problems with this because they don't know how to erase the background, but it's really simple. Okay, so you go right here on the wand, put the wand, go to magic wand tool, and then go like this. Okay, now then you go and you put cut. Okay, and then these little spots you put the same thing, put it like that, and you put cut. Okay, now you move to the next one over here, put cut, and then there you have your text. You're gonna put done and then save. Then you put save to gallery, PNG, your text. Okay, now to the thumbnail. So we're gonna do blank document 1270 by 720. Go right here. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you where I got the backgrounds and stuff, so you're not gonna get confused. So then you go to Pixar, right? You basically search for Fortnite, PNG, any of these that you want to, for your background, okay? And then yeah, so the Fortnite background that I got was this one over here, from right here, Pixar, the folder. See, it's already in this folder, and then is this one, but it's a little bit smaller, so just resize it. It's that simple. Have photo layer, photo library, and then you want to add this file, this one, the fire one. See, it's so good. Like, this is like really good, but you just need to resize it in order to make it work. You put it under this one, no, you put it up, okay, and then to make it look like it's on top. You don't want it to be like in the background. You want it to be looking like a layer, okay? Then you put this one. This one's really simple. Just leave it like that, right? Like it's showing you a map or something, right? And then you put this one, and then you put this one as like it's focusing on the character. You know that, right? Like, like it's focusing on the character. This one, I'm gonna resize it more because it looks a little bit shorter. And then yeah, okay, you see, that looks way better. So this one, you put, for this one, the fire layer, you put drop shadow so it can really pop out. And then this one, you put fill in stroke, you put stroke, Not really like that. No, you don't put stroke. You go to drop shadow again, like that, right? And then you go to your character, your FORTNITE character, and then you go 191 to make it really pop out. And then, yeah, that's really it. You do that, and then for the fire, to make it look more dope, you put flames. You really want it to be 0 this one, because then it's going to be like showing on like a lot. So then, see, look how dope it is. And then you go to photo library, and then you go to PSSCC9, and you go to your text. Your text right here in the background. But this one you want to be in front of all these. And then this one you want to put a drop shadow so it can really pop out. Okay, that is it, guys. Put save. Go to the little share button on the bottom right. PNG. Press on the one that you just made your thumbnail, and then put OK one, and that is it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, make sure to subscribe, comment, and share, and anything will help. So yeah, guys, this is it. It's been